Sometimes napupunta tayo sa mga difficult situations or tough situations, whether emotionally or psychologically or spiritually, because of other people's wrong choices. So we suffer the consequences of other people's sins or mistakes or whatever. Sa ganung mga sitwasyon, it's pointless to ika nga complain, bakit ganyan ang mga tao. Because we live in a world like that. I mean, kasama naman tayo dyan eh. We live in the world where people make wrong choices and it has consequences na naaapektuhan ng ibang tao. Like in this case na pinag-uusapan natin, ikaw yung naaapektuhan. Learn to trust God and not to take revenge o wag gumante, but rather entrust your situation to the Lord and He is able to deliver you sa ganung mga situation.